Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and we received the mystery box from Google. Want to see what's inside? Let's go ahead and check it out. So last week we received an email from the Google team inviting us to become part of teampixel. I had to say that invitation would never be possible if it wasn't for your subscriptions to the channel, viewing the content we produce, and also giving us those thumbs up. So today I wanted to share with you what's in the mystery box. What did we get from the Google team, specifically teampixel? Let's check it out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
All right, so let's go ahead and open the box up, and we'll take out all the goodies that are in here. So we received a Google Pixel stand. Put that aside. The Google My Case. So this is for the Google 3. We received a Google Pixel 3. And this is the frosted white, I believe. Is this the frosted white? Yeah, it's clearly white. And now we had also ordered the Google Pixel 3 XL, and this is the black. So all these products, and a little thank you card. So all these products are going to be unboxed and reviewed in the channel. Make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you can get notified as soon as they come up. This is just a few of the products that we'll be reviewing. There'll be many more coming, so I'll see you in the next one.